In this video clip, I'm going to show you guys how to add exterior wall to this house. Probably I forgot to mention we need to build a building pad in the previous video. Since you guys already know how to build a building pad, so I'm not going to repeat that part of the information. So let's get started with this exercise. In this exercise, what we're trying to do is we try to model a little bit thinner exterior wall on top of those retaining walls around the perimeter of the house, and the height is going to reach all the way up to the top, which is the roof level. So let's first start with the entry level. Double click the entry level right over here, and we are going to select wall. Instead of using the basic wall foundation, we are going to use the basic generic basic, which is 6-inch right over here. And always make sure we need to configure the settings in the optional bar, in the option bar. And it's going to be height, and we need to reach all the way to roof level, and also I want the wall to be aligned with the interior side of this wall, the inner side of this wall. So we are going to pick core interior. So in terms of interior exterior, you actually need to practice on your own which one you're going to use, because it really depends on which direction you would like to start drawing your walls, modeling your walls. So I'm going to use the interior, and some of the students may ask what is the difference between the finished face and interior. This has to do something with more complex or multi-layer walls, but for this exercise all of those options should be fine, but it just depends on how you draw the wall. But anyways, you will be able to achieve the result you want. You just need to find a way to do it. I'm just going to pick the core face. So I need to draw from the bottom by using this kind of setting. And make sure you check the chain. Move to the left and continue draw. Move to the top, to the up, and to the right. Okay, double click, double press the escape key twice. Now let's take a look at the 3D view. It looks like now this part wall has been created. So you can see the interior side of the wall is aligned with the interior side of the foundation wall, which is the retaining wall. And then next we are going to model the other side of the wall around the right side of the building. So hopefully you guys do remember, which level this one is at. And this is at the lower level. We're going to pick the same wall, since we've already picked the wall before. So this setting has been remembered by the machine. So now make sure we need to change something right over here, and this is going to be the height, and then we want to extend all the way to the roof. We're going to use a core face interior, and we're going to draw from this side. It looks like it is different, so I need to move it from this side, as I already said it before. It all depends on how you would like to draw it, which direction you're going to pick. Press the escape key twice. Now we've got our exterior wall modeled. I think that's it for this video clip.